smart wireless control, plug-and-play setup, reliable performance, versatile applications.
So this is wireless 4DI 4DO pair offered by Uniconverge Technologies. This pair consists of one 4 digital input transmitter and one 4 digital output receiver module. They communicate with each other using the LoRa protocol, and here we have the antennas for the two devices. They work on the ISM band, and in this transmitter we have the 4 digital inputs give high value when it is shorted with the DC voltage. You can provide voltage anything from 9 volts to 12 volts, and we have 4 digital outputs. You can control any output devices like lights, motors, or any contactor. It has relays which can support high DC voltage or even AC voltage. So if I connect the second digital input to the 9 volt voltage, the corresponding digital output is turned on, and there are 4 LEDs which indicate which particular digital output is currently turned on. Currently the second LED is glowing, which shows that the second digital output is turned on. Similarly, whenever we remove the voltage from the input, the corresponding digital output is also turned off. So this is the whole setup which you can use in your factory or automation requirements. They use the unlicensed ISM band over 800 megahertz range, which is legal in India, and there can be multiple frequencies which you can set for this particular two device to talk to each other. They can be configured and used such that multiple of these pairs can be used simultaneously in one location, and those configurations can be easily done using deep switches present on the side of the devices, which sync the two devices so that only two of them talk to each other and there is no cross communication between other pairs of devices.